Having trouble loading sites in Safari? Here are a few solutions. Check content restrictions. If you see a notification that says, "You can't browse this page because it's restricted," it means screen time restrictions are blocking Safari. Here's how to fix it. Close Safari. Open the Settings app. Now, scroll down and tap Screen Time. Go to the Restrictions section and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions option and enter the passcode if required. Then, click on App Store Media, Web, and Games. Tap Web Content and change it to Unrestricted Access. After that, close Safari from the background and reopen it. The blocked websites should now load properly. Clear Safari history and website data. If Safari still isn't loading pages, for this, open the Settings app. Now scroll down to the bottom, tap on Apps, and look for the Safari app, and click on it. Again, scroll, and select Clear History and Website Data. A menu will appear. Click on the Clear History option. Check network connection. If the issue continues, the problem might be with your Wi-Fi network. Some networks block certain websites. Try disconnecting from your current Wi-Fi and reconnecting. If that doesn't help, switch to cellular data and test the site again. Toggle airplane mode. Go to the control center and tap the airplane mode icon to turn it on. Wait a few seconds, then tap it again to turn it off. And that's it. By checking these, you should be able to fix most loading issues. Follow for more tech videos.